Hey yo, I'm Jeremiah Long from MarineMax Sarasota, and we're standing on board our 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. If you've never seen a video of one of these boats, guys, you're in for a treat. These things are packed full of amenities and options, and truthfully, when they say they're the ultimate day boat, they really are. One thing you're going to notice about this boat as well, if you haven't seen the pictures, it's the beautiful Sea Ray royal blue outside, but it has the new for 2020, this stone interior, which is incredibly gorgeous. And we are going to sea deck this boat here. It's one thing we wanted done. We wanted the sea deck. We're going to do that here at MarineMax. So let's start with the options. These 400s have this huge fold down swim terrace. Guys, it's so cool. And they think through with this rear lounger. They give you the ability to put this rear lounger sideways for kind of the hangout, the entertainment area back here. It's really nice. Oh, by the way, all that background noise, yeah, we're hopping. It is full swing boating season. We are rolling. The basin is slap full, guys. It's time to be on the water. Look at some of our Instagram feed. It's wild. It's gorgeous in the west coast of Florida right now. Anyways, coming in, electric sunshade here. These boats have an amazing hardtop. Remember, 12 foot of beam here. Your hardtop is over 10 feet wide, and it's covering this gorgeous teak table. Sea Ray does a really nice job. They historically always have with their teak. It's beautiful, great place to move around, and this summer kitchen. I love this. The Corian on top, double trash cans on this side, refrigerator in the center, and yep, wine cooler over here on the left-hand side. Up top, you've got a grill, you've got a prep area, and if you're wondering, hey, what's some of this stuff going on right here? This is actually your TV input, because this boat has the option. The TV drops in right here. You can watch satellite, do whatever you want on this back. Of course, you got 110 outlets there, controls for your cooktop. And guys, if you can't tell, room abounds in this boat. 12 foot one of beam from Sea Ray. There's just so much entertainment space throughout. This seat swivels. Of course, you're seeing it facing back, involving itself in the entertainment here. But if you want to use it as a co-pilot chair and you need it facing forward, it'll stop there, and it also continues all the way forward. Really, really nice design from Sea Ray they do here. Speaking of co-pilots and running this boat, the helm area. Guys, it is sublime on this boat. It's absolutely incredible. You got NSO units from Simrad. These are black box units. They are incredibly capable, run the entire boat from one end to the other. Very, very nice. Touchscreen and multifunction unit from Fusion. And of course, you've got Mercury's full suite over there. You've got joystick, gives you skyhook features. You have trim tabs. You've got your VHF, tactile controls for the screens. Everything, every stitch of this boat, guys, it's all there. But if you're looking at the SLXs and you're looking for more of a cabin, this is the boat that does it. See, I'm down below here, and you can see the room over my head, the dinette area behind me. Of course, that is convertible, gives you a large berth. You won't see the berth underneath the deck, but it actually has sleeping quarters for 4, and it truly has a fantastic head. This is a wet head, so your shower is integrated. Dometic porcelain vacuum flush. Guys, this is an incredible spot to spend the weekend for a couple if you need to. There's TV down there. There's fridge down there, microwave down there. It really works for an overnighter. And then finally, it wouldn't be a day boat if you didn't have the bow. Guys, this boat has just an incredible bow. The room. There's as much room in the bow of this boat as many bow riders have in the entire boat. You've got cell phone chargers to each side. You've got speakers throughout. You have cup holders throughout, armrests. Folks, these 400 SLXs are as incredible as you think they are. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2020 Sea Ray 400. We will talk to you soon.